Bungy's furry, soft and warm, with big blue eyes and lots of charm. She's going to go with you and me to find some baby animals for us to see. Baby animals! Today, Bungy's going to look for a baby tiger. Was that a growl? What's that? Pointy ears, 4 spindly legs, big bright eyes, and it drinks milk from its mother. Follow those hooves, Bungy. Oh, it's not very good at walking yet. And it isn't a tiger. It's a baby gazelle. Just 1 week old. It hasn't grown any horns yet. A gazelle is nothing like a cat. Bungy is quite sure of that. Come on, Bungy, let's find a tiger. What are they? Be careful. They're dogs. Bush dogs. The mother's carrying her puppy in her mouth. Your mommy used to pick you up like that, Bungy. Bush dogs live in large families. They all go out hunting together. They've got long teeth and sharp claws. But they don't look like tigers, do they? Their legs are too short and they don't have stripes. Look out for something orange. Oops, nearly pricked by a porcupine quill. Come on. Hey, a baby orangutan. Holding on tightly to its mother's fur. Orangutan means man of the woods. Orangutans have long arms to help them swing through trees, and long toes to hook over branches. Their coats are orangey brown, like tigers. But they're not striped. You are, aren't you, Bungy? What's this? Yes, you found a tiger. Baby tigers love to play with their mommies all day. Poke her and pat her with your soft, furry paws, but try to stay out of your mommy's jaws. You used to play like that with your brothers and sisters, didn't you, Bungy? Watch out, babies. Mommy calls. There could be danger in this ball. One takes a sniff. Is something within? While Mommy decides to go for a swim. Tigers have long whiskers. They can see a long way with their big, bright eyes. The ears on top of their heads help them hear so clearly. Stripes help them hide in the jungle. They're growling for cartoon time. Oh no, Bungy, your friend Felix is being chased by a tiger. He's going to change from a cat to a cactus. Don't you try that, Bungy. Up the ladder he goes. Good job, Felix. Come on, Bungy. You did a good job, too, finding lots of tigers. You deserve a rest.
Ready, Doodle? Steady, Doodle? Here we go. Where we'll end up, we don't know. In jungles and rivers and snow and sun, finding baby animals is so much fun.
Baby animals.
Doodle's going to look for a baby gorilla. Come on, Doodle, this way. Is that one? It's got small ears like a gorilla, but not much else. They're meerkats. Meerkats make burrows like rabbits. They dig around under leaves and rocks for food, looking for delicious insects. Meerkats have long, soft coats and sharp claws, and pointy heads with black ears. Are those two fighting? I wonder who's going to be the winner. Come on, you've got to find your gorilla. Oh no, that's a wallaby. The wallaby is tiny as a bean when it's born. It stays in Mommy's pouch, safe and warm. The grown-up wallaby runs very well. She balances herself with her long, long tail. They look just like little kangaroos, don't they? But they're not gorillas, Doodle. Neither is that. It's an Arctic fox. Quick, Doodle, he's coming! Are they gorillas? No, they're baboons. Baboons run on all fours, like gorillas. But baboons have colored rears. Gorillas don't. Gorillas live in the forest, but baboons like the rocks. They use their long arms for climbing. Hey, baboon, don't be upset. With one big pull, up you get. And this baboon is on its knees, while another baboon picks out fleas. Baboons have tails. Gorillas don't. Baby baboons are brown when they're born. Older baboons' hair turns gray. They still like to cuddle. Come on, Doodle. I think you're getting nearer. Great! You found one! A gorilla! There's a young gorilla using its strong teeth to chew a stick. Grown-up gorillas eat fruit and leaves. Their teeth are strong enough to crack nuts. Look at that tiny hand. It's a baby gorilla. Mommies and aunties take care of the babies. Gorillas have large nostrils and small eyes. The daddies are called silverbacks. Gorillas walk on all fours, using the soles of their feet and their middle fingers. Mothers and babies, colored jet black, are protected by the silverback. His stocky chest and strong, hairy arm will keep his family safe from harm. Look at these gorillas, Doodle. It's cartoon time. Oh no, gorillas can't fly, can they? What's that? A crocodile harp? But gorillas can't sing or dance. They must be dreaming. Come on, Doodle. Bedtime for you.
Bunji's furry, soft and warm, with big blue eyes and lots of charm. She's going to go with you and me to find some baby animals for us to see. Baby animals! Bunji's going to look for a baby zebra. Come on, Bunji. You won't find one there, will you? Oh, no. What's that? Are they guinea pigs? They've got brown hair, pointy ears, small eyes. But it's not a guinea pig. It's not a zebra either. It's a capybara. Capybaras look like guinea pigs, but they're as big as sheep. Come on, Bunji. We're looking for something striped, like you. Nothing else will really do. What's that? Are they zebras, Bunji? They've got stripy necks. But zebras don't have beaks, do they? Zebras don't have long, thin necks either. Those are ostriches. Their necks are as long as a jump rope. And they've got feathers. Come on, Bunji, let's find a zebra. That's not one. Slithering snakes slowly glide. Blotchy patterns help them hide. And that's a tiger. Tiger's stripes on front and back are spread in patterns, white, brown, black. They're not the same as zebra's stripes, though. Keep going, Bunji. Something's looking at you. What is it? It's got horns, long pointy ears, and white stripes around its big brown eyes. It's an antelope. A sable antelope. Grown-ups' horns look like tall candles. Look, Bunji, there are lots of rings around them. It's got stripes on its head, too. But it's still not a zebra. I'm sure you'll find one, Bunji. Yes, at last, zebras. Zebras love to eat grass, like horses. They've got hooves like horses, but even the hair on the back of their necks is striped. In fact, they're stripy all over. You can hardly see which is which. This baby zebra is only 4 weeks old. He still drinks milk from his mommy. Soon he'll be eating grass too. Pretty zebras are very striking, with all their beautiful black and white striping. They'll chew grass all day while babies like to run and play. Bye-bye, zebras. Wake up, Bunji. It's cartoon time. A swimming zebra? Hello, Mr. Seahorse. Oh, it's not a zebra at all. It's a horse. Come on, Bunji. You found lots of zebras. Now let's find you some milk.
Ready, Doodle? Steady, Doodle? Here we go. Where we'll end up, we don't know. In jungles and rivers and snow and sun, finding baby animals is so much fun.
Baby animals.
Doodle's going to look for a baby elephant. This could be a long trip, Doodle. You might have to go to India or Africa. What's that? Looking for food on the ground. It's not an elephant. They don't have big ears like elephants, do they? It's a mongoose. There's a mommy mongoose with her baby. Dark stripes across their furry brown backs. They search for insects, tasty snacks. Oh well, try again, Doodle. Whose jungle gym is that? Oh! That's not an elephant. It's a gibbon. Gibbons can hook their toes on branches and use their long arms to swing through the trees. They can sing, too. Gibbons are small apes. They're the only ones who can walk on their hind legs. In trees, they can move so quickly, they can even catch birds. I don't think an elephant could get up there, do you? Hey, come down, Doodle. Trot past that tortoise. Mother and baby safe in strong shells. Oh, what's that? It's a hippopotamus. A very small hippopotamus. They're called pygmy hippos. Like an elephant, they've got gray skin, short legs, and webbed feet to help them swim. Elephants have long legs and trunks. Pygmy hippos don't. In Africa, they live in swamps. Nasty flies bite them. So they have baths in the mud to get rid of them. You'd love that, Doodle, wouldn't you? Hey, look what you found. Clever dog. An elephant with 2 babies. That one doesn't want to get wet. His ears keep him cool. These are African elephants. Their ears look like the map of Africa. African elephants grow up to be the biggest land animals on Earth. I can see something that's not very nice. Is that baby elephant eating a... Oh, yuck! Baby elephants have bendy trunks, like a vacuum cleaner hose. They can squirt water with them and use them to pick up food. Elephants don't just eat leaves. They eat twigs and branches, too. Do you think you'll be as big as that if you eat all your food, Doodle? Come on, it's cartoon time. Baby beavers tying knots. Baby elephant can't drink anything. Uh-oh, he swallowed it all. He's as big as a balloon. Baby beaver's angry. So baby elephant lets him have it all back. You found a lot of elephants, Doodle. Now it's time to play.
Bunji's furry, soft and warm, with big blue eyes and lots of charm. She's going to go with you and me to find some baby animals for us to see. Baby animals! Bunji's going to look for a baby giraffe. What are you doing, Bunji? Can you smell one? Come on, this way. Is that a giraffe? No, it's a red panda. Its face looks just like a mask. Red pandas live in trees like the black and white pandas. They love to eat leaves. Their fur is orange like a flame. So sometimes they're called fire foxes. They're also called child of the mountains because their high voices sound like a child's. Whose face is that? I see! It's a chimpanzee. There's its hand with 4 fingers and a thumb. Baby chimps have white on their bottoms. But chimps don't have tails. That baby's got a white beard already. Those two are really good friends. So they kiss and cuddle. They love to play. They'd be a bit too rough for you, wouldn't they, Bunji? Come on. Let's look for that giraffe. It's just like playing hide and seek, but giraffes have never had a beak. That looks like a giraffe. It's plucking leaves with its soft mouth. They've got stripy legs and short horns. They eat leaves like giraffes, but giraffes have much longer necks. Those are okapis. Okapis are about as big as a horse. Their hair is as soft as velvet. With long pointy tongues and necks that bend, okapis could be a giraffe's best friend. They pluck the leaves and swallow them all, then hiccup them up in a tiny ball. They've got stripy bottoms too. Bunji, you really make me laugh. Will you ever find a giraffe? Shh, there's one. It's got dark brown eyes with long lashes and long ears. Its head nearly touches the sky. It's the tallest animal in the world. There's a baby one. He finds it easier to eat on the ground because it's a long way down. Giraffes have large, heavy feet. They run with a thump and a bump. Their skin's got pretty patterns all over it. Slender necks swaying. Giraffes are playing. Up in the sky, weaving and dancing. Then they go prancing, heads still held high. Do you think they're off to the animal fair, Bunji? For cartoon time? It's like the Olympics. The giraffes are holding up the high jump. Whoops! Hey, that's cheating. What are you doing, Bunji? You're such a funny cat. Are you trying to lie down like a giraffe?